Hi everyone, just want to share my latest design team project for Artymaze using her beautiful digital kit Vintage Days. I may have to stop halfway through this because I don't know if I can manage it. For some reason I've got a new watch and I normally tape via my phone through to my watch. Don't ask me how it all works, but I sort of tape with my phone and my watch, but for some reason they're not connecting, so I can't seem to tape video using my normal setup of my tripod, so I'm having to hold my phone in one hand and try to do my best to keep everything in focus, so I may sack it halfway through, we'll just see. Well, anyway, I just want to share the journal. Like I said, it's a design team project for Artymaze and the kit is called Vintage Days, which I will list below. I've done this with lots of lace and very vintagey looking. That's the side of it. It's already struggling with one hand. That's the back. It's got a little piece of embroidery on, a little bit of ticking. It measures, let's see, it measures 8.5 by 5.25, I think. I don't think this is going to be possible because already I'm struggling. I've just put a little tab on the front with a little bit of fabric and one of these little pictures from the kit. The front is all laid up using various laces. Most of it is vintage laces. I've done several layers of corrugated card and another book cover, and I've just stenciled memories on the front because I thought it might be really nice to keep your memories. And it's quite a chunky one, and I think, just counted a note, I think it's got 100 and, I forgot that. I think it may have 120 pages in it. I may be wrong on that, but I will list it all properly below. I eventually will be putting this into my Etsy shop, but I'm just going to try first because I'm having a lot of issues with Etsy lately. I just seem to think they're taking an awful lot of money off me for any journals that I sell. And last week, the postage cost me £21, which had really gone up for, it's normally around 15 to 17 to the US, and that was £21. And then they're charging commission on your postage and everything. So like I said, it will be for sale, but if anyone is interested in me, PM me via either Instagram or on any of the Facebook groups. Right. Sorry about this, I'm really not in frame, am I? The front I've just put a little fabric pocket where I've collaged up with some cheesecloth, a little tab, one of these little pictures on it. It's got a couple of tickets in. What's not in the kit I will point out as I go along because I have used some of Artymaze's tickets as well. These are two of her tickets. I won't take everything out because you can imagine with one hand. This is an altered tag which I've just collaged up with some, I love this paper, so I've used it quite a lot throughout the kit. Beautiful page with a gorgeous little girl on. Envelope with a ticket and some fabric trim on the side. I have put, so I'm not going to be able to do this, so I won't take it out. There is journaling cards, several in each of the envelopes that you'll come across. Now I can't get that back in, so I'll just put that to one side. Just done a little bit of stamping, a bit of gesso, some lace trims on the side. A little tuck pocket here. Well, I won't take them out because like I say I am struggling. I've just put a little journaling card. There's a little booklet there for more journaling. Here I've just got a little Tim Holtz die thing with loads of little journaling cards in and tickets. There's a tag here and a little topped up spot. Oh, this is really hard with one hand. One of the little Tim Holtz dolls in because I've got some of these to use up. And for some reason I never seem to use the men in them. So I'm trying to use up my men. I love this page from the kit. Some writing, line paper, all this comes in the kit. This is a tag with a little bit of collage. I've just done a little bit of embossing, and these little images do come with the kit. That was a fold over tag. Love that page. I've left plenty of writing space in it, as normal. Another little booklet and some journaling cards. Here I've just put a little, that does fold out, which you can journal on. Just a little fabric tag. Some of these pictures are just out of my stash. That one is a note in the kit, so you do get some lovely images of children and Victorian people. Done a little bit of collage there. I said a little handmade tag. I have left all strings on, a little bit of collaging, more writing space. A little tuck spot here with a couple of journaling cards. Love that picture, that image as well. That's another one of the pages. Some music paper, just a little bit of collage work. Some more writing space. There's 3 signatures in it. Little vintage butterfly lace. But I just thought laces went really well with this journal. Another little side pocket with some more journaling cards, some book paper. That a lovely image. I have actually started another project with them. I'm making a slender journal using this kit as well, and I'll probably end up making another few because I just love it so much. I haven't worked with laces for quite a few weeks, and it's just nice to get back in working with lace. And I've done some trim down the side. Another little one of these dangles. More writing space. Little ticking pocket, little dangly charm thing. This is going to be hard to get all these out. So there's a little journaling card there. In fact, I'll take everything out, but I won't put it back. A little tag there. Here, this is what I think I'm going to struggle with because I'm not going to be able to get it off with one hand. Yeah. It's just one of the large tags, which I've just put a little bit of Tim Holtz paper I was trying to use up, and I've just filled it with tickets and little journaling cards. But that just ties up and can be put, well, anywhere. But I've just stuck that in the pocket. I won't mess about putting back. This is the centre of the second signature. Plenty more writing space. Another one of these little antique lace butterflies, which I've just put a bit of bling on and some collage. Little top tuck here with a couple of journaling cards in. Sorry, I know my hand is really in the way here. Another large journaling card. This lady I think I got off Pinterest, she's not in the kit. Just done a little bit of collage on the page. Another tag. All the tags have come with the kit. Like I said, it really is a beautiful kit. We'll link Andrea's shop below. It really is checking out. It's just gorgeous and so vintagey. A little bit of vintage lace here. Another top tuck. God, I can't say that then. Another little embellished dangle. Another little booklet. Like I said, there's plenty of writing space in it and booklets for writing in. Little belly band with a couple of journaling cards. Put a few Tim Holtz pieces that I'm trying to use up. I think that's images off Pinterest. A little bit of collage here. Music paper. Some more Tim Holtz and some images and tickets. Oh, struggling a bit now. Sorry, I'm really not in focus here, am I? Another little handmade tag, which I've just collaged up using bits of cheesecloth and some rosettes and little bits of lace, and it's on fabric ticking. Little fold out, flip out page here. another belly band which I've just put a little cameo on, and this envelope I've left open but I've put in some writing paper. Leave that out, won't mess about. I say it's just a ticking belly band. More music paper, a little bit of Tim Holtz paper I had left over, but you could journal on the back of that. This lady I got off Pinterest, and these are tickets which are from the Vintage Days kit. I've just done a little lace ruffle there, which is then tucked in. I think they're coming up to the back page now. Love these little images of children. At the back I've just made a little pocket here where you can, this lady I love, got her off Pinterest and she's backed onto some line paper. Let's go in. Sorry about this not in frame. Never organised, am I? And that's basically it. The back I just laid up with a little bit of ticking, a little piece of embroidery, a little bit of ribbon and more vintage lace. Like I said, it is for sale, but I won't probably be putting it into my Etsy until maybe, what day are we on? Tuesday. I'll leave it till maybe weekend. But in the meantime, if anybody's interested in it, just PM me and I'll see if I can do it without having to put it into my Etsy shop. Okay everybody, thanks for watching. I'm sorry if I'm not in focus or I'm all up, down and everywhere. Thanks again. Bye.